Here's the cardboard box that the fridge came in, and here is Brian making a template for the fridge so that he can cut the wood from that instead of cutting on the wood first. Brilliant. This is the stain side that I'll actually be able to use. So excited. Okay, so this is where all of the work is being done. That's the kitchen cabinet back there on the wall, and Brian is starting to cut the boards and work on the large storage cabinet that goes against the long wall in my van. This is just so exciting. We're getting closer. So this is the back side. See the cutouts to go against the wall? Because nothing in this van is square, plus there is added stuff on the roof. And this is what the beautiful front looks like. And it hasn't even been stained yet. Just gorgeous. Wait till you see the kitchen installed. Check out Brian's latest masterpiece. This is my storage cabinet. It is so beautiful. He's building the doors now, but I want to show you the way he's attached it. This thing isn't going to go anywhere. We are so safe, so blessed. Check this out. See those L brackets? There's like 4 or 5 of them, and then it's also screwed to the front panel here behind the driver's seat, and it's just so beautiful. Love you, Brian. It is so beautiful. Just look what Brian built. OMG. Check out this stand for my propane tank. And check out the latches. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. And that wood isn't even stained yet, and it's just gorgeous. So this is the cabinet for the refrigerator. Will it fit? We're about to find out. I bet it does, because Brian worked on it. And it fits like a glove. Trucker's fridge from Georgetown, Kentucky. Oh yeah.